Now then, just a quick one. It's too hot at the back. It's too hot out there to make a cup of tea. So I did it on the table here. A little bit of wind, and oh, wrong way. Too much wind. So, well, just a little tiny bit of wind, which is enough just to blow the flame away from underneath the kettle, and the kettle takes longer to boil, waste more gas. So just a little installation like this, these few plastic placemats that I had kicking around have done the job. But really, you just want a bit of cardboard folded into 3, and it just slot straight in there, and that'll be just a perfect windshield as well. But for now, that's done it. Maria thinks fireproof ones would be good, but as long as they're not in the flame, I think happy days. Anyway, this is just a top tip. It's not a instruction manual. So that's the next installation for the Sherpa show. Over and out.